Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can pay with PayPal balance instead of credit card. Now a lot of people want to pay for example on AliExpress or any e-commerce website, but like PayPal is not allowing them to use the PayPal balance. Okay, the PayPal asks you guys to enter your credit card, and that's why you clicked on this video. You don't want to pay using your credit card. Now I had this problem, and here is how you can fix this. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your PayPal account. Okay, you can do the same steps on your iPhone or Android phone, and as you can see here, guys, this is my PayPal account, and the balance, as you can see here, is 0. This is just a PayPal account I use for videos like this. So as you can see, it says here send, wallet, activity, help. So to pay using PayPal, what you need to do, guys, there are a lot of things you can do. You need to click on wallet in the top here, in the top left. Okay, after you click on wallet, it says here link a card or bank. Now if you don't have a card, you have never linked a card to your PayPal, you should link a card, okay, or debit card or credit card, because when you try to pay using your PayPal balance and you don't have any card linked to your PayPal, like PayPal will ask you guys to enter the credit card information or debit card information. That's why they ask you guys for CVV, and that's why they don't allow you guys to pay using your PayPal balance. Now you just need to link a card. You can link your mom's card, or okay, but it has to be the same name. Okay, okay, if your mom, for example, have a PayPal account and she has a credit card, you can just link it to her account. You can create a new account, and then you can start using that PayPal. You can send money from this PayPal to her PayPal, and then you can start that balance. Now after you link, guys, a credit card, you want to scroll down and you want to click where it says preferred when paying online. You may find here set up or something, or change. You want to click on change or set up. And then here, if you have a credit card, it will give you guys two options. Now it says here, choose your preferred way to pay online. We'll use this when you shop online or send money for goods and services. You can always choose a different way to pay at checkout. Now you can either select PayPal. As you can see, it says here, if you don't have enough money in your balance, we'll ask you guys to pick one of your other payments methods, which is the credit card, debit card. That's what they mean. Now for you will find here two options, because I have never linked any card to this PayPal. It only shows me, guys, PayPal balance, but for you will see here your MasterCard or Visa card, and then you can choose. If you want to pay using the PayPal balance, you can just select PayPal and then click confirm. And after you click, guys, confirm, you want to click on done. And then after you do that, what you guys need to do next is make sure you have enough balance inside your PayPal. If you don't have it, you can ask someone, guys, to send you money to your PayPal so that you can use PayPal balance, okay? Because there is no way to use PayPal balance if you don't have any money inside your PayPal. Now you can click on send here, and then you can click again on request, and then you can request money from your friends or whatever. They can send you money to your PayPal, and then you can start using that money on anywhere online. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, I reply to everyone. See you guys next one. Please drop a like, and see you guys next one.